Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the landing gear view in Microsoft Flight Simulator. This unique perspective allows you to visually confirm your gear's status, which is incredibly important during takeoff and landing. It adds a layer of realism and helps you ensure everything is functioning correctly, giving you peace of mind during those crucial moments of flight. Mastering this view enhances your overall flight simulation experience significantly. One straightforward way to see your landing gear is by utilizing the fixed external cameras. Simply press Ctrl plus Shift and a number key, such as 3, 4, or 9, to cycle through these predefined views. While these views can vary by aircraft, many include dedicated perspectives of your landing gear, allowing for quick visual checks. This method offers a convenient and immediate way to monitor your aircraft's undercarriage. For ultimate control, you can create your own custom landing gear views. First, activate the drone camera by pressing the Insert key, then maneuver it into your preferred position using the W, A, S, D keys and the numpad for rotation. Once satisfied, save this view by holding Ctrl and Alt, then pressing a number from 1 to 0. You can then recall this view instantly by pressing Alt and that same number, providing a personalized perspective. To make the most of your landing gear views, remember a few key tips. Always perform a visual check of your gear before and after every takeoff and landing. Don't hesitate to combine this view with other external cameras for a comprehensive inspection of your aircraft's condition. With a little practice, switching to and from your landing gear view will become a smooth and intuitive part of your flight procedures, enhancing your overall safety and enjoyment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.